People keep telling me how cool and distinctive and on brand all of my images have been recently. As AI is core to everything that we do here at AI Integration Institute, I've put together a foolproof process for ChatGPT to capture these, but I hadn't realized just how many coaches still struggle to produce professional, consistent images even with AI. So I'm running a live workshop Thursday, the 18th of September at 11 a.m. UK time to share with you my exact process. In just 90 minutes, live and interactive, as all my workshops are, I'll walk you step by step through building 1. Your Image Creator GPT Assistant, this is the most important one, a ready-to-go AI tool that generates professional images in your brand style, saving you time and energy. 2. A visual brand kit, which is a document capturing your colors, fonts, and style rules that provides the foundation for consistency across every image, so your visuals always look really recognizably you. And lastly, 3, your custom avatar, a recognizable brand-aligned image to anchor your visuals. This gives your brand a visual face, making your content distinct and memorable. For some of you, this may be your first real taste of how AI can be seamlessly built into your workflow, freeing up your energy, shaping your impact, and changing the game for your coaching business. Seats are limited, so if you're ready to start creating visuals that truly stand out and save lots of time in the process, click on the link, save your seat now. I'm very excited to share. I'll see you there.